Introducing the Omcan curved glass countertop refrigerated display. Built with durable stainless steel, this unit is designed to boost impulse sales in supermarkets, convenience stores, and seafood markets. Its elegant curved front glass draws attention and enhances product visibility, while the compact footprint fits easily into tight spaces and showcases items from multiple angles. This unit is equipped with a digital temperature controller. Direct static cooling and automatic defrost work together for reliable performance with minimal maintenance. Convenient rolling front door and a sliding back door, giving quick and easy access for staff or customers. Plus a drainage hole to prevent water buildup and maintain food quality. Deliver exceptional presentation and performance while boosting in-store sales with the Omcan curved glass countertop refrigerated showcase. For more information, call us at 1-800-465-0234 or visit us at omcan.com.